Hey guys, what's up? Firework Fanatic Vinci here with a little video. Another firework filler. That's how I start all my videos now, apparently. I did in fact film my first demo Monday, and it sucked. But it'll still be put out. Demo Monday, if you're looking for that next Monday, it'll be out, trust me. That's misplaced trust if I ever heard it. But trust me, Demo Mondays will be out next Monday. And that's about it. This filler is just, there's a campground that I stay at on the lake here. And these are firework videos from one weekend at that campground. And I love this campground just because of the fireworks. I also love staying on the beach. You know, if I had a choice, I would live near like a lake or an ocean, like within walking distance and stuff. I kind of do right now, actually. I live about half an hour walk away from the lake, but all that aside, I just want you guys to watch this video and enjoy it, and Demo Mondays will be happening. Also, I kind of want to do the Lottery Fever again. I put out a video like 2 days ago or something, and it was pretty well received, although I'm pretty sure the 28 views that it got were probably just people who thought I won the lottery and wanted to watch it. Hence why I got a thumbs down almost immediately. But it's okay. It's views or views. I don't care. But, thanks a lot for people who've been watching all the time. I'll shout out Barbecue Rando. He's been the big commenter right there. And my brother, Ziguaya, he's also been a big commenter. Shout you guys out. Do you guys remember the promotion I did last year for the new tank of propane? That's still going on. In fact, if I don't get any more comments, then I'm gonna like put Barbecue Rando's little picture on there, and then I'm gonna put like every comment he's ever posted on the tank, if I don't get like hardly any more. So he'll be looking forward to that. That's what we said, and also he made a comment too to put on the tank. The promotion, I don't know, I'll just link the promotion video real quick or something. I'll put an annotation. It was just to put, if you put a comment in the promotion videos comments, then you got a, it was written on my new can of, whatever, propane or whatever I use to light my fireworks with. And, you don't have to, like, subscribe or anything. All you do is make a comment, no obscenities or whatever. But, enjoy this video, fireworks on the lake, at this beach campground I stay at. If anyone wants to know the campground's location, just comment and I'll say where it is. But enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. They were doing this on Thursday, Mom. Same thing. Oh, I'm getting it. Oh, yeah. Wow. That whole entire firework was out of focus. It looks rather dangerous.
Yeah, it certainly does. And it's not loud. I love the not loud one.
That is so cool.
Woo!
You just sitting there, but I mean, you were standing there. that's nice.
Wow.
Those are so nice
Wow.
with those. Here, Dad, I can hold it while you light it. Oh, there they go. Woohoo! And Mom said they weren't doing anything. Hey, Mom, just when all hope was lost,